In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find car inspection locations near me. To get started, open your web browser and go to Yelp. Once the site loads, you'll be on the home page where you can begin searching for nearby businesses and services. Yelp is useful for this because it helps you quickly find local places and compare options in one spot. On the home page, you should be able to see a section showing the top best inspection locations. This gives you a helpful starting point, especially if you want to browse highly rated options right away. These results are usually based on location and popularity, so they can help you narrow things down faster. Next, look for the search bar that appears next to the inspection location section. This is where you'll enter the area you want Yelp to search in. The location box is important because it tells the website where to look for inspection services near you. At this point, you can type your address into the box. Be as specific as you want, whether that's your full address, your city, or even just your zip code. Entering a more precise location can help you get results that are closer and more relevant to where you actually are. If you'd rather not type anything manually, you also have the option to choose your current location. This can be the fastest method if you're using a device that allows location access. If Yelp asks for permission to use your location, just allow it so the site can detect where you are and show nearby inspection places automatically. Once your location is set, go ahead and click the search button. This tells Yelp to run the search using the location you provided. It only takes a moment, and then the website will update with local results. After that, all the inspection location results near you will appear on the screen. From there, you can start reviewing the available options in your area. Take a moment to look through the listings carefully so you can choose the one that works best for you. And that's it. That's how to find car inspection locations near you using Yelp. It's a simple process, and once you know where the location search is, it becomes very quick to repeat anytime you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.